Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add base number to your PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option and click on this more option. Here you will find this base number. Click here and select add base number. This base number dialog box. You can change this base numbering. I select 00 and 6 and this is prefix box and this is suffix. I let prefix J and suffix P and this base number position center. I let it right corner, remove this and this is base number position showing here and this base number top position I'll change and see this and this right position. Yeah, also you can add reverse bits number. You can change font size. I'll say this font size. You can make it bold, italic, underline and so on. This font is style you can change and also you can rotate this bits number and see this, make it 0 and you can change bits number opacity. You can apply all of these pages or custom pages. I'll apply all of these pages. Now simply select apply and see this our bits number now added all of these pages and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.